It's not surprising that the 2024 Genesis G70 comes with a higher price tag than its predecessor. Genesis not only made some adjustments to the sports sedan's interior, but also executed an engine swap on the base model. These changes, along with the addition of newly standard Brembo brakes, contribute to the 2024 G70's starting price increasing by $2,170 to $42,695. While the G70 now boasts a standard 300 HP turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder, an upgrade from the previous 252 HP 2.0-liter Turbo 4, the other available engine remains unchanged. Although Genesis didn't make any alterations to the optional twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6, which still pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and is available with either rear or all-wheel drive, the base price of G70s with that configuration has seen a significant rise. For 2024, the G70 3.3T starts at $51,145. This marks a substantial increase of $5,120 from the previous pricing, whether customers opt for the standard rear-wheel drive or pay an additional $2,100 for all-wheel drive. The primary reason for the V6's notable price hike is that every model now includes the Sport Advanced package, which used to be a $4,300 option. Meanwhile, the Sport Prestige package costs $4,200 on the new 2.5T models and $4,400 on 3.3T models. Among the G70's new features are revised climate controls with touch-sensitive functions and a frameless rear-view mirror. According to the EPA, the new G70 2.5T has mostly retained the same fuel economy estimates, with the exception of the RWD version's highway estimate dropping from 31 to 29 mpg. Its combined rating also decreases from 25 to 24 mpg. The 2024 G70 lineup will hit U.S. dealerships in the coming weeks.